Deferred maintenance costs landlords money. Hi, I'm Richard from Always Property Management. For landlords who defer maintenance long term, it's like watching money roll out the door. Deferred maintenance is a silent thief, stealthily eroding your property's value and financial security. It's the cost of inaction due to financial difficulties and or inadequate planning. Costs can increase exponentially. Decrease in property value. The disadvantage is if you need to sell quickly, you miss out on capital gain and you find it hard to exit and may still owe the bank money. Delay maintenance increases the costs also. So depending, you could double your costs over time to do that same maintenance today. According to SAT's New Zealand data shows the cost of building a house has increased 41% since 2009. And I'm sure we can all relate to seeing building materials go up dramatically over the last couple of years. Also, tenant turnover and vacancies. It's a lot harder to keep tenants long term if repairs and maintenance are put off. Eventually, tenants become disgruntled and they leave. There's much more risks taking longer to rent, particularly when the rental market slows down and the landlord ends up out of pocket yet again. So to recap, deferred maintenance decreases your property value. The maintenance issues don't go away and the costs you much more money down the track. It's harder to keep long-term tenants and vacancies are generally a lot higher. Also, health and safety issues will likely pop up when maintenance is neglected. The key here is to have a plan and a budget so the costs don't escalate out of proportion. Hey, hope that helps. We'll catch you next time. Making life easier for landlords is what we do.